Hey beautiful souls and fashionistas, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Bri, and today I wanted to do a revamp on a video I did a while ago, and that was on fashion affiliate programs. Man, it is so many different ones out there, but the one that I love the most is LTK because they have all of the brands that you can think of. And today I wanted to give you my top brands that I love working with, because they are great at working with us on commissions. There are different commission structures that brands have. Each one is different depending on the brand. And I love that you can see all this information in LTK and that they provide so much detailed information, a content calendar, all these things for you. So I just wanted to go over my top brands that I use and love, share them with you. Maybe you can add this to some of your content. Maybe you can also use these affiliate programs and platforms to make some additional income in your styling business or your style influencer content creation ideas. If you're not necessarily sure what affiliate marketing is, no worries. I'll do a quick snippet of what that is, and I'll also provide some information in the description below. So affiliate marketing is when you are working with these brands in order to promote their products as your followers, as people use your personalized links that these brands give you. They will give you a commission for it. So as you're posting your photos, your videos, your reels, your shorts, your YouTubes, and people see your outfit, they click the link that you're provided and shop, you are making a commission. It's a great way to work with your favorite brands without them actually reaching out to you via email in order to do a collaboration. So I want to share this information because there's a lot of times we want to create these businesses and we're not necessarily sure on how we're going to make a profit from them. And so I really want to be able to help you guys understand it and give you some of my favorite brands that I love to work with because they're cute, they're fashionable, and I mean, we know them all too, but you probably didn't know that you could actually be working with them. I did break these brands down by 3 different categories, which we'll go over. One is affordable and trendy. The next one is high-end and luxury, and the third is pre-loved and discounted. So the reason I broke them down in this way is because, well, you'll see why. All right, so my top one is going to be Amazon. Y'all know Amazon has everything from A to Z. That's literally what their brand means and stands for. But they really do. Just when it comes to products, they have everything you could possibly think of, which includes fashion, and that includes jewelry and accessories and anything related to that. They have it. Not only niche boutiques are on here, but everybody sells their products on Amazon. It's like a must at this time because everybody wants that Prime. Everybody wants to be able to go to one website, type in as if it's a Google search, and find what they're looking for. I love Amazon for this because you can find anything. You can find dupes, you can find all these different things, and of course it's affordable and it's trendy. So I recommend that for anyone that's wanting to start with some type of affiliate program working with brands, because Amazon has all the brands. It's just such a variety there, and it's such an opportunity for you to create a custom store, for you to have personalized links, for you to drop that in someone's DMs if they're asking what you're wearing. Like, and it's just a great platform for you to profit from. The next one is going to be ASOS. ASOS is just a great platform for all different range sizes, different styles. They have men, they have women, and you can really just create different unique looks from them. What I will say is they're not as edgy as they used to be. I feel like it depends on where you're shopping from. So in the UK, I feel like sometimes their style is a little bit different than what they sell on our platform, but it doesn't matter. You can work with this platform and you can create an income by shopping these looks, promoting these looks. Someone actually purchases these looks and you get a commission from it. Okay, the next one is going to be Skims. I love Skims just for the quality. I saw a video, or was I reading something, and it said that they are comparing Skims to Nike. Like, she is sponsored and brand everywhere. I mean, it's the Kardashians, but her quality of her clothes, even though they're like basics, they fit so well. There's different sizes, not only for your lingerie, but for your everyday wear, lounge wear, cute dresses, cute tops, cute little sets. I love this brand just because it's very, I mean, obviously it's trendy because it's a Kardashian, but again, the quality is amazing. they have a really good commission. The next one is going to be Pretty Little Things. I'm a go-to Pretty Little Things person. When I tell you I have an event or something and I have to look up something really quick, yes, I have a ton of different websites that I will shop on and keep all the tabs open, make a cart, saves, all those things. But I feel like Pretty Little Things is a good quick one where you can go to and find something cute, very, very cute, something stylish, something trendy, something unique for you. I mean, it's just a great platform where it's not just the basics that you see at the mall. I feel like the mall doesn't have anything anymore, and I feel like this type of store, even though it's quick fashion, it is trendy again, it's affordable, but it has some really cute pieces that you can create and make into your own. A lot of people love this store. It's already well marketed, so as you start to promote your looks, people know that name. People know Pretty Little Things too, so they're going to want to go and shop those looks as well. So that's another one on this list. All right, the last one on this affordable and trendy list is going to be H&M. I like H&M for their basics. They have clothes for babies, they have clothes for women, they have clothes for men as well, and I really just think it's good for the basics. I mean, if I'm going to say something about the quality and, you know, go to quick fashion for that kind of thing, I think H&M is a good place to start. A lot of people know of this brand. It's been around for a long time, and I do think that this is a great one because they have a good commission structure and you can really benefit from that. People always need basics. People always need to revamp their wardrobe for those types of things. And then again, they also have cute little outfits that you can shop at. What I will say is online you may find much more of a variety than you would in the actual store. And again, like I said, these brands that actually do have physical locations, the items that they sell, depending on the demographic of the area they're in, is going to be different wherever you go. So you can find a lot more, or really everything that they have in their catalog, online, and I think that's just a great benefit for you if you're creating content online, or even if you're a stylist and you're shopping these looks to promote and let people know who are in these small little local towns, look, I got this from this store, I can get it for you too, or I got this from this store, you can shop my link and you can purchase it as well. All right, the next category that we're going to go to is the high-end and luxury grouping of stores that I love. The first one is going to be Nordstrom's. Nordstrom's, yes, they have highs and they have lows, but I do like that they carry a lot of high-end brands that we all know and love. I love Nordstrom's because you can go in there and you can get a $150 Scotch shoe, or you can go in there and you can get a Tory Burch shoe. Like, you can get so many different brands within this one store at Nordstrom's, which is great. And it's like almost as if they're their own affiliate company itself, because for example LTK, they have Nordstrom's, they have Neiman's, they have all these major stores, and Nordstrom's carries a lot of boutique high-end stores as well. So it's kind of niche down, however they do have a lot of high-end products and their commission structure is very well. The next is going to be Farfetch. I don't know if you guys know about Farfetch, but it is a great store for like your edgier high-end fashion brands, and I'm going to tie this one in with ASOS as well. These two, to me, they kind of go hand in hand. They have more of the edgy high-end fashion, like Alexander Wang. I mean they sell that in Nordstrom's too, but you can find a lot of dope pieces on here. To me, it gives the vibe of a New Yorker, or you know, an edgy LA person. But I love the brands that they carry on these two platforms, these online platforms. Very chic, very editorial, very high-end, and I feel like a lot of people who shop those looks, this can be a niche market for you as well. The next one is going to be Revolve. You know what I will say about these high-end stores is that they're not specific brands. If you can see, like, even the high-end ones, the Farfetch, the ASOS, this Revolve one, they are not like, you know, they carry their own product type thing. You go there for that. You're going there because you know they carry a certain quality brand on these platforms. So Revolve is another one, and you can find really good quality pieces. Yes, it's more expensive, but I do feel like when you shop these pieces, they will last in your wardrobe forever. Like, I have a coat that I get complimented on so much, and I've had that coat for probably almost 8 years. The quality of the items and the brands on these luxury stores do not equate to the trendy, you know, fashion finds that we find on, you know, our Pretty Little Things or our Fashion Overs or even like our Amazons, you know. So I do think comparing highs and lows is going to be your best friend, especially when you are working with different clients or you're promoting different products and services on your channel. And you can do niche down things where you're only focusing on lower price items, but I do strongly suggest that you mix it up. You do a little high and low. All right, and the last one on my list is going to be FWRD, and it's not the full word FWRD, it's FWRD. And again, this one is just very similar to the other ones that I just suggested in the high-end and luxury brands or department online stores, if you want to call it that. This one is also a really good one. I will say they all kind of go hand in hand. They kind of carry some of the same things. Some have larger categories than others. I would just suggest that you go on there, you search their catalog, and you see for yourself. I definitely love these 5 brands, and what I will say is, from all the ones that we talked about so far, they are actually all on LTK. So if you are an influencer or you are a stylist and you are trying to make an additional income and you don't want to go and search all these different brands to work with them, you can go on one platform, which is LTK, and they will provide you with all of these brands that you can work with. And the next category is going to be pre-loved and discounted stores. Now, these are going to be brands where people have actually already used or purchased these items and now they're reselling them. The quality is still amazing and great because a lot of them are high-end, and so they're reselling these products. And so that leads to my first one, which is Rebag. Rebag is a luxury bag store, handbag store of bags that people are refurbishing. They don't need them anymore. They don't want them anymore. They're trying to make a profit off of them. So they sell them to this store, and then they go ahead and then resell them to us, to customers, to whoever is wanting a new bag or a bag that's been pre-owned, which would be at a discounted price. So I love this store because, I mean, a lot of times we have these bags and we get the new one and then it sits in our closet. We don't really use it anymore, and someone else may really want it, or it's just still a great quality bag. It's nothing wrong with some of these designer bags that have been out for years. They still look amazing. The quality is still amazing, and so why not save a little bit on it and get a nice bag? So I love Rebag for that. And this one is also on LTK. All right, and the next one is going to be Fashionphile. I really like Fashionphile because it's the same. It's just like Rebag. However, it's different discounted items because they have been pre-owned. Now, if you think about it, I mean, you can say the real too. I like them, but what I will say is when I tried to sell some high-end stuff to them, I just felt like the amount that they were trying to give me back was just not what I paid for. And I'm like, like I need to feel like if I'm selling you this and I know I paid for it and I took care of it, I want something a little bit more back. But at the end of the day, these discounted stores, I mean, they have to make a profit too. And so that one, as far as Fashionphile and the Real hand in hand, they have great luxury designer items where you can go and purchase at discount because it has been pre-owned. And know that because they are in these stores, the quality is going to be as if it has not even been owned yet. And I will say a lot of times the products really haven't been. How many times do we get an outfit, we wear it one time and we never wear it again because we feel like we took a photo in it or something? Like, that is pretty much how the quality of these, you know, pieces and items, bags, shoes, jewelry, anything you can think of in these stores are going to be. And especially because it's these stores, people recognize them, people know them, the quality is still going to be well, like the quality is going to be amazing. So don't think that just because it's pre-owned that it's not. when it comes to these. It's not like going to a regular thrift store where, again, you know, you can find things. Here it's literally like you're just shopping at a regular store. So I would suggest that these 3 brands are great as far as the, you know, pre-loved and discounted stores. Now this video can kind of go hand in hand with thinking of different ways to create content and how they can be beneficial to you to use different topics or different ideas or different styles in order to incorporate it in your content planning. I think this is a great one because you can use so many different brands. You can promote these products and someone shop, you make a profit off of it. It's just a win-win because you're helping someone else. Maybe they didn't know what the heck they were going to wear, and now you've come up with, you know, an amazing suggestion for them where if they purchase it, you also win. So I think that this is a great way that you can start to think of ideas on how to, you know, use different brands and products if they're not necessarily directly reaching out to you yet. If you have a consistent plan of action on your content and you're posting consistently, these brands will see that, yes, but as you're waiting for them to reach out to you, you can start to make an income now. I hope that this video was very helpful for you. My next video, I'm going to be showing you step by step how I plan out my content and how I use LTK and all those different things in order to generate income in my business so that you can do the same thing too. Before we go, I'd love to learn more about your favorite place to shop. Like, is it a place that you're already shopping all the time and people are asking you for ideas and suggestions on how to put things together from there? Are you using your affiliate links, or are you just giving the information away for free? I would love to know what your favorite store is. Maybe it's on LTK. If you don't have that platform yet, I can tell you if it's on there or not. Reach out to me. Leave me a comment. Make sure that you like and subscribe. Share this with someone who is working to be a fashion stylist or content creator in this niche of style influencing. I would love to help them too. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.